When it comes to AutoCAD, not just any laptop will do. Whether you're sketching architectural blueprints, working on complex 3D mechanical parts, or designing interior layouts, AutoCAD demands power, and lots of it. The truth is, most standard laptops just can't keep up, especially when you're juggling detailed renderings or running simulations. That's why in this video, we're counting down the 6 best laptops for AutoCAD in 2025, from budget-friendly options to workstation-level beasts. We'll break down the key specs like GPU, RAM, thermal performance, and display so you can find the perfect match. Links to all products are in the description below. Number 6. HP 17.3 Touchscreen Laptop. If you're someone who prefers working on a bigger canvas, the HP 17.3 touchscreen laptop makes an excellent entry point into the AutoCAD world. Its large full HD screen gives you plenty of room to breathe, whether you're reviewing detailed blueprints or multitasking between drawing tabs and spec sheets. And with a touchscreen, it adds a layer of intuitive interaction that surprisingly helps when navigating large plans or zooming into small design details. Under the hood, it's powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U and backed by 16 GB of RAM and a fast 1 TB SSD. That's more than enough horsepower for 2D drafting, small assemblies, and basic 3D modeling in AutoCAD, especially for students or beginners just getting started. The Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics won't win any awards for rendering performance, but it gets the job done for light to moderate workloads. If your work mostly stays within the 2D realm or basic parametric modeling, you'll find this laptop refreshingly capable. Still, for casual users, drafting students, or even interior designers working in 2D, this HP laptop is a solid, budget-conscious starting point that doesn't feel like a compromise. Number 5. ASUS TUF Gaming F15. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle AutoCAD and then some, the ASUS TUF Gaming F15 might just surprise you. Designed with gamers in mind but built tough enough for engineering-grade workloads, this is a true hybrid, a performance machine that doubles effortlessly as a CAD workstation. At the heart of it is AMD's Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU and a hopping 32 GB of DDR5 RAM. Translation? You're looking at desktop-level performance that can easily chew through 3D modeling, large assemblies, real-time rendering, and multitasking-heavy projects in AutoCAD. The 144Hz high refresh rate display isn't just for gaming. It makes movement inside 3D models feel fluid and navigating the UI smoother overall. Plus, the color-accurate panel makes it ideal for designers who want to ensure what they see is what they get. Still, if you're a student working on mechanical designs by day and playing Cyberpunk by night, or a freelancer juggling creative work and engineering visuals, this is a high-performance powerhouse that punches way above its price tag. Number 4. ASUS ZenBook 15. If you're the kind of creator who values both performance and presentation, the ASUS ZenBook 15 brings serious style without cutting corners under the hood. It's sleek, light, and ultra-portable, but make no mistake, this Ultrabook has the power to keep up with serious AutoCAD work. Powered by an Intel Core i7-13700H and paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3050, this machine strikes a sweet balance between portability and processing muscle. It handles medium-sized CAD projects, parametric 3D modeling, and even light rendering with confidence. Add to that 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB PCIe SSD, and you've got a workflow-friendly laptop that boots fast, runs smooth, and stores plenty. But what really sets the ZenBook apart is the OLED display. Deep blacks, stunning color accuracy, and crisp resolution make blueprints, renders, and design elements look gorgeous and true to life. It's the kind of screen that makes long work sessions just a little more enjoyable, especially for architects or designers focused on visual fidelity. The chassis is only 3.6 pounds, making it easy to carry from studio to site. And with ASUS's signature build quality, the keyboard, trackpad, and overall design feel premium and refined. If you want something that looks as good as it performs and don't want to lug around a 5-pound brick, the ZenBook 15 is a dependable, stylish pick for professionals on the move. Number 3. HP 15.6 FT Flagship Business Laptop. At first glance, this one might not turn heads, but dig into the specs, and the HP 15.6 flagship business laptop quickly proves it's more than meets the eye, especially for budget-conscious AutoCAD users. It's running the Intel Core i7-1355U, the same chip we saw in the earlier HP 17 model, but here's the game changer. This version packs an insane 64 GB of RAM. That's right, 64 gigs, which is almost unheard of at this price point. Combine that with a 2 TB SSD and you get a system that's incredibly snappy, especially when handling large project files, multitasking with multiple CAD tabs open, or working alongside Excel, Revit, or SketchUp. Now here's the trade-off: Intel Iris Xe graphics. Great for 2D drafting, fine for basic 3D modeling, but it will start to sweat when you get into heavier rendering tasks or animation work. If you're sticking to floor plans, elevations, or light assembly modeling, it holds up well. Just don't expect real-time ray tracing or complex simulation work. Still, it's the value that makes this laptop shine. For students, interns, or freelance drafters working mainly in 2D, the massive RAM and storage alone make it a compelling option. You're getting a smooth multitasking experience and serious file handling power without blowing your budget. Number 2. HP's BookPower 16G11. When your workflow depends on stability, precision, and raw muscle, the HP's BookPower 16G11 steps in as a true mobile workstation, built from the ground up for professionals who rely on AutoCAD every single day. This isn't just a fast laptop, it's certified for industry-standard software like AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks, and more. That means you get optimized drivers, smoother performance, and fewer compatibility headaches. At the center is the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, paired with NVIDIA's RTX A1000, a professional-grade GPU designed specifically for CAD, modeling, and engineering applications. It's the kind of hardware you want if precision and reliability are negotiable. Backed by 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, this book handles complex drawings, large assemblies, and even real-time collaboration files with ease. Whether you're rendering walkthroughs or designing detailed mechanical components, this system keeps up without lag, without crashes. Battery life is solid but not standout. It gets the job done for a workday, but don't expect ultrabook longevity here. And yes, the price tag is on the premium side, but with certification, rock-solid build quality, and CAD-specific optimizations, it's an investment that makes sense for serious professionals. If you're designing for clients, managing detailed construction documents, or working in corporate CAD environments where stability is mission-critical, this BookPower 16 is your reliable, high-performance companion. Number 1. Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2. At the top of our list is a machine that doesn't just handle AutoCAD, it thrives on it. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is the ultimate portable workstation for CAD professionals in 2025, designed for those who build skyscrapers, model machinery, or run simulations that push every core to its limit. It's powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 185H, a high-end processor with next-gen architecture, perfect for juggling complex tasks like real-time rendering and 3D modeling. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 3000 Ada, a professional GPU built for creators and engineers, you get an absolute beast that can rip through ray tracing, simulations, and high-poly models without flinching. Backed by 64 GB of RAM and a massive 2 TB SSD, there's room for everything: massive CAD files, project archives, libraries, renders, and the speed to jump between them effortlessly. Whether you're working on architectural blueprints, BM models, or multi-layered assemblies, this machine responds instantly. The ThinkPad chassis stays true to its legacy: ISV certified, robust, and rugged, with Lenovo's signature keyboard, fingerprint sensor, and enterprise-grade reliability. It's heavier than most consumer laptops and takes up more bag space, but for many professionals, that's a trade-off they'll gladly take for unmatched performance and rock-solid stability. Yes, it comes with a premium price tag, but this is your mobile command center, a machine built for serious work and serious professionals. If you want the best, no compromises, no bottlenecks, just pure CAD power, the P16 Gen 2 is the one to beat. From budget-friendly performers to full-blown workstation beasts, there's something here for every type of AutoCAD user. Whether you're sketching floor plans in 2D or rendering full 3D assemblies, the key is matching your laptop to how often and how heavily you use AutoCAD. Links to all the laptops featured are down in the description. If this helped, give it a like, drop a comment with your pick, and subscribe for more gear reviews.